first kiss mine, make me feel safe at night. Walking out holding hands, barely crack my door. Turn the Aubrey on, and the walls across the floor. I sneak over to the light, and I take a peek. They kept dancing all night, even if the signal got weak. I can still see them move, so it's swaying across the wall. Ooh, no, we didn't have much, then again, we had it all. They made that little house a home, full of heart and soul, just like a love song on country radio. They could sing